Welcome to Cadaques, the most easterly village in all of mainland Spain, a true jewel of the Costa Brava. Cadaques is a destination unlike any other on the Spanish coast. Located at the easternmost point of the Iberian Peninsula, this Catalan village is characterized by its powerful isolation. Nestled deep within the dramatic landscape of the Cap de Creus Natural Park. It is a place where the Pyrenees Mountains plunge into the Mediterranean Sea, creating a stunning convergence of rugged geography and tranquil beauty. The visual identity of Cadaques is instantly recognizable. A hillside blanketed in brilliant white architecture, standing in sharp relief against the deep blues of the sea and the stark, gray rock of the coastline. This uniformity of color reflects both tradition and necessity. The town's old quarter, a network of steep, winding lanes, features unique paving known as rastel, a technique of setting irregular stones designed historically to make it easier for fishermen to haul their boats from the bay. Dominating the upper town is the Church of Santa Maria, a restored late Gothic structure that stands as a historic sentinel, symbolizing the resilience of a community often threatened by pirate raids throughout the centuries. The village's greatest claim to fame, however, lies in its profound connection to the world of art. Cadaques was the lifelong muse and summer retreat for the celebrated surrealist Salvador Dalí. He spent his childhood summers here and later established his eccentric home and studio in the secluded cove of Portlligat, just a short distance away. Dalí drew endless inspiration from the intense, clear light and the otherworldly, wind-battered rock formations that characterize the Cap de Creus landscape. This artistic current attracted numerous other avant-garde masters, including Pablo Picasso, Marcel Duchamp, and Joan Miró, establishing Cadaques as a bohemian hub and a sanctuary for creativity.